Can you guess what this is? Hi y'all, Sandy here. Welcome back to the channel. So a few weeks ago already, I got a new handbag when we were in London. I wanted to use it since then, but I thought I really want to unbag it together with you. So a few weeks later, here we are. It's been so busy. As you can tell, my background is different. Everything is just okay. Anyway, I have this new bag. I'm super excited about the color, and in one of our local shops I saw a Miffy Nijntje, we call it here in the Netherlands, but Miffy, the international name, keychain. And I thought, how cute. No, I'm not really into those cute things. I guess there's a whole name for it because you have like this whole community. Is it kawaii or something? Anyway, I don't know if Nijntje officially belongs to the kawaii situation. Cute. So it was this keychain, and I thought I can rework it and make it a bag charm for this bag. I'm not sure if it's going to work, so we'll discover it together. This is my mini Miffy haul first. If you know, maybe you don't know, but Miffy is created here in the Netherlands. I think that everyone since the I don't even know, would it be 70s, 60s, 50s, grew up with Nijntje. Okay, Nijntje is something everyone knows about, and until this day all the toddlers are still watching Nijntjes. First, the charm that I have seen is this cutie keychain. It is actually a little pouch, so you can store, I don't know, maybe your AirPods, earpods in here, or maybe phone cable, I don't know. I have been looking at Nijntje items before, and you have a lot of websites doing the fake ones on AliExpress or whatever, but I thought this was cute because this is the authentic Nijntje. And then I also got this pouch. It has this super cute zipper. Look how cute. Super cutie. It's a very soft material, and then the brown inside. I actually wanted a fluffy keychain, so I saw this as well in that same store. This is not Miffy, but I thought maybe I can rework them together, put them on my bag. Not sure if it's going to be cute, but I will see. Then I had this sort of mug, thermos mug. Did I really need this? Of course not, but I thought it was so cute. So I used this at home, and I thought when I'm on the go, I can also take this with me if I want a hot drink or maybe a cold drink, whatever. So this super cute backpack. Now my daughter is 3 years old now. She can be super bossy at times, like super bossy, like if you know, you know, these toddlers. This is like my everyday bag most of the time. If we are running errands, if we go out together just to go to the shops, is what I take. And then sometimes she wants to wear this backpack. Even sometimes it's super heavy, then she wants it, and it's just, I guess she just wants to be like her parents. Sometimes it's really heavy because I put all sorts of things that we need in here, and it's not for children, right? It's not that big, but it's not for children. So I saw this backpack. So we tried it on in the store, and then she immediately didn't even want to take it off anymore. But how cute is this? Oh my god. Just wanted to show you how cute it is with the Miffys all over. And this is her first bag, and she wants to take this bag everywhere. She even tries to take it to bed, okay? But moving on to why you're here. This. Yay! It is the Le Pliage in the medium size. You know I'm a basic bitch. What is it saying now? It just says Le Pliage shopping and not like the sizing. Maybe I'm just confused. I thought it would say the sizing in the back. Anyway, I checked my other bags. This is it, you all. super simple. You know how I like it. You know how I like it. Ta-da! I'm so happy. But to be honest with you, I haven't done my research about this, but when I bought my very first medium, my very first Longchamp bag, right? That must have been maybe 8-9 years ago, maybe 10, almost in the size medium. Then after that, I remember I went to New York. I needed to replace my bag because it was just a hot mess. It was my everyday bag and it was a hot mess. But I used it for like, I don't even know, 3 years or so. And then when I got there, she said that size medium was not available anymore. Only size small and large. Then I had the large, then I had the small, and then the small. And listen, this story, I'm just rambling. This is the medium now. Is this now the old small size? Is this now the old medium size that I took out of the collection, or whatever? Please, I know there are Longchamp lovers and you who know this answer. Enlighten us. Now it's only medium and large are available when it comes to this long handle bag. And then for the short handle, you will only see small and medium. If I get that correct. Let's see the receipt. It doesn't even say the sizing anymore. It's just saying original tote bag. I am super excited. Oh, this also came with it apparently. I am super excited because when I asked the sales associate for the paper color, she first immediately said, no, oh no, they are sold out. But then she said, but let me check just in case. And then she said like, oh, they just restocked it because yesterday we didn't have any paper colored bags. That's why I keep telling you, if you really like the paper color, just get it now, because we don't know for how long they will keep restocking this color. I thought I'm going to, when I'm in that kind of not so serious mood, I will just put this kind of somehow the 9 charm on here. Look how cute is this. And I know that even like which brand it was, like that at the beginning of the year that did like a Miffy collab, and I don't know how much the charm was, but of course not the same as this. Anyway, so at this point in my life, I'm just enjoying these basic, practical, good quality bags. Because this is the pouch with handle. I have a large size of this model, but I don't know where it is. But and then this is the small top handle. I will do a more in-depth video about all sizes another time. So I too would like to have like all sizes now. That means I only need the medium top handle and the briefcase model. I guess that. Oh, but and then the travel size in medium. Do I then have all the Le Pliage sizes? There's not much to say. I mean, it is the new, of course, the new my other one is the old model, so it only has one side pocket. These ones have a 2. It does have the white interior. I'm not sure if I'm going to put some kind of liner on there. Maybe I will. Let me just stage it for you. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the mod shots, and if you like this video, hit that thumbs up button. It helps me more than you think. If you think that it doesn't make a difference, it does. So thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and see you next time.